Yo, do Coach still have clearance bags on deck? Yes, they do. Look. Alright, first of all, let's start here. Let's start right here. Y'all, I never got to see this bag. Okay, it is not leather. I thought these were leather strips. These are literally straw strips. I'm so glad I did not purchase this. I'm not even gonna hold y'all. However, it is a lot cheaper. Like, you can't even get to the thing. Oh gosh, look at this. It sits down and it's gonna do that. Oh no, Coach, this wasn't a good design. This was not a good design at all. I'm so sorry, y'all. I hate when that happens, because y'all know Coach is my jam. Y'all know it ain't another brand that I dig more than Coach. And then you want $345, child. Y'all better be charging under $200 for this. I'm so sorry, because I would never ever. I'm just giving y'all a feel for it. Y'all finally get to see it. It's a straw bag through and through. The only thing that's leather on this bag, because somebody said it's leather and straw. Bitch, you lied. This is the leather part, and that comes off. So it's a no for me. What do you think about this? Yeah, they lost me with that one. It's definitely giving Dollar Tree material. Oh y'all, I hate that. We're gonna move on. We're gonna try to forget about this one. But y'all, they still got clay bags available for the dirt, for the low. I don't know how you feel about this color, but $177. It might even be cheaper on Coach website. Let me check, as a matter of fact, because you know what, I made a mistake and bought a bag from Dillard's, and it was way cheaper on Coach. $50 cheaper, by the way. Took me, got me. And the sales lady was my girl, so I wasn't gonna return it on her. I said, oh, she ain't gonna deal with, she ain't gonna be like, every time I come in, girl, don't talk to me. She ain't gonna be like that, but still. This one's saying $177 too. It's a bleaker, and they're both in clay. Let me check to see what they are on Coach. Okay, so like I said, it's gonna be a little bit cheaper at Coach. So I'm gonna make sure I tag Coach. $147 for this one. Super dope. And then, oh yeah, they got $5,000 bags at Coach. They lied. Child, please. So I'm not going to be able to really too much tell you the prices, because of course I can't go through everything. My Wi-Fi is really slow in here. But they have other bags that are on sale. Now I saw a girl named Ty Hill, Tyhill. It was months ago that she styled this bag and wore it with a denim outfit, I think from Walmart or something. And when I say, girl, you about to make me buy this bag, because I thought this was the stupidest, smallest idea ever. Alana this little. But then somebody else told me, you need those for concerts. You need these for, you know, when you want to carry your stuff, but you're going to be doing a whole lot of walking. I was like, show you right, girl. That is definitely correct. So let me get up off my high horse about these little bitty tiny bags. They're definitely worth it, and at a lower price, even better. It's probably $140 something on Coach. Again, I will tag everything that I can in the shopping bag on the screen. If I cannot tag it from Coach, then that's when I'm gonna hit Dillard's up, okay? So y'all be looking in my descriptions if you don't see the tag, okay? I never tell y'all that. I don't know if I'm losing you or not, but y'all, I just got this one. Now this one is $285 here, but $230 something on Coach. Again, if they still have them, I got you. Love this bag, y'all. I'm gonna unbox it for you guys one day soon, and we're gonna go over it. Hopefully the price doesn't go up by then, but I can't hold you. I can't control what these people do. I can't control how these retail people control us. So I need y'all to keep that in mind. This is the Empire 34. Beautiful, beautiful bag. Y'all, they have more. This is one right here. Oh gosh, it's so much going on. But this is one right here that was a must. I don't understand why this didn't sell. I don't understand. Somebody let me know. The only reason why I didn't get this 27 Empire, then Kiss Lock bag, is because I got it from Patricia Nash. Same price. I'm quite sure. Because I paid $300 for mine. This is on sale. I don't know how much it is, unfortunately, but I will tag it, but it is on sale. Y'all, this feels cool to the touch. It does. It's crazy because I know that this is some type of real something. When y'all be dogging Coach, y'all saying that they bags ain't real, I don't believe you. I don't believe you know what you're talking about. Matter of fact, my homie that just sent me messages, they ran through all of the Coach info for me. Not Coach. They ran through all leather info for me. Y'all, let me make sure y'all don't see nothing y'all shouldn't be seeing. This, out of here. This one right here. What is her name? Y'all barely got it. Miss BMC 45, something like that. She gave me the hierarchy of leather. So I know a little something and I'm learning too. So don't even worry about it. But they have real leather. So don't try it, okay? But y'all, they got a whole bunch more stuff. Now, I did show you this denim bag before. Love, love, love this one. And then there's more clay bags. The Brooklyn's clays are at the bottom. But then y'all know this beaded bag is $400. And this one, I believe, is $3 something as well. Love these beautiful bags, ladies. You're going to find something you love. I never ever talk about these. This is the Juliet. And then this is another Juliet. This is a bigger Juliet. Y'all, I don't normally see Coach selling these, but they are Coach bags. So y'all let me know how y'all feeling about these denim bags. They are love leather. They are super, super cute. I think they are adorable. I just haven't got one yet. I actually don't desire to get one. There's so many other bags that I have to get. If olive green ever comes back in that, it's mine. It's mine. Don't even try it. I have the 40. I need the 34. I need the 48, and I'm done with Empires. That's all I need, amongst others. But guys, I don't need any SLGs, y'all. Keep the same Patricia Nash wallet, and that's it. Because I hope you find something that you love here. If there's anything else that I missed as far as like the clearance, y'all let your girl know. This is the what is this? These called oh, they took it off. What are these called? Barrel bags. I was about to say bleakers. The yellow barrel bag is also on sale. Yeah, I wouldn't pay no more than $100 for that because Michael Kors got these with very vibrant, brighter colors for under $100. But yeah, y'all, love, love, love what I'm seeing. I did not mean to skip out on the Waverly, but the Waverly suede bag is under $187.50. Super, super cute bag. Has the New York stamp, Coach New York stamp on it. Super cool. And then some top handle tabbies. It ain't giving me the price though. Originally $495, but $300 now. I bet you they cheaper on Coach. I can't check the price for you right now because the internet don't work in this mall. They need to stop that. Stop blocking our internet out. That is so aggy. But guys, y'all let me know how you feeling about this bag, please. I'm so disappointed. I ain't gonna hold you. But y'all let me know how y'all feel, okay? All right, bye.